Attorney Gretchen von Helms is a Harvard Law School graduate with 20 years of experience and has even received designation from the State Bar of California as a specialist in criminal law. That's why we got her perspective on the SDSU football player's rape allegations case. And Gretchen says the case is, in fact, unusual after Jane Doe says she was raped in October of 2021.
That is a very unusual delay for a case that's alleged by Jane Doe to be this egregious. They usually do not take this long to investigate. Could be because, they had a winning football team. I hope not. I hope that's not the reason for the delay. My perspective of what the delay is the cops were very thorough. They didn't rush to judgment. Maybe they were taking their time on it because there's a lot of digital information, and maybe they were taking their time on it because the football players, they didn't want to, unfairly jeopardize their opportunities.
Since the lawsuit accusing 3 San Diego State football players of rape came out Thursday, the attorney representing Matt Ariza did an exclusive live interview with CBS 8, and the attorney representing Jane Doe, Dan Gillian, has published several tweets, including the alleged victim's journal entries. We asked von Helms if this is a legal strategy.
As a criminal defense attorney, I feel less comfortable with digital, and maybe as a civil attorney, because he has the burden of proof, he's trying to bring out all the stuff that he wants to bring out now because it's kind of a court of public opinion.
And as for why the civil lawsuit was filed before there were any criminal charges?
They might have started the civil case to try to hurry the prosecution along because of all the publicity. The DA reviews all of it and then makes a determination of whether or not they can meet the standard of proof. So they need probable cause to issue charges. But what they want is proof beyond a reasonable doubt to get a conviction. But in my opinion, there will be a criminal case.
Von Helms says whether the criminal case is as egregious as the rape allegations or if it's statutory rape because of the victim's age, there should still be a criminal case, which is why more than one attorney could represent the defendants.
She has the DA's office as her criminal prosecuting lawyers, and then she has a civil lawyer to prosecute her civil case. So if you look at it like that, she basically has 2 lawyers as well.
Von Helms says civil cases usually take longer than criminal cases to make it through the legal system. And she reminds everyone, no matter what, the defendants are innocent until proven guilty.
It's just really important to be neutral and wait until the juries in each of the particular cases, the civil case, render their verdict, and the criminal case render their verdict.
Kirsten Holmes, CBS 8.